We took this 1980s family vacation home and transformed it into this beautiful, modern, desert-style retreat. How do you get from this to this? Stick around and find out. Hey guys, welcome to Eastern Washington. I'm going to give you a tour of one of my favorite projects from 2023. Before we get to all the good stuff, here's a brief history of how we got here. My client first hired an architect to work with the original structure to nearly double the square footage. The architect then designed the general architectural concept, and this is where Moss takes over. Where we went from this to this, and this to this. Here is what I usually start with to make sure my proposed materials, colors, and textures work together to create that modern desert vibe. Then I plug it into simple elevations to create the balance and aesthetic we're looking for. Does anyone else love this as much as I do? Okay, let's go inside. Your experience begins when you enter through this 9-foot, custom, gorgeous solid wood door. Because this is a family vacation home, we made sure it had an open living plan. We also made sure there were plenty of dining options. All the materials were carefully specified for durability and easy cleanup. I mean, after a long weekend with family and friends, who wants to spend their entire last day cleaning? I don't know about you, but for me, it's about the details. It's about the things you can make, and not the things you buy. I mean, look at this place. Why wouldn't you want to hang out here all the time? There's something to be said about a cool bathroom. And a cool bathroom that's easy to clean, even better. When it comes to creating a space that's both modern and comfortable, repeating similar design elements really help. You can make them the same, but different. Let's head out back for round 2 of our tour. All right, I'm going to show you guys my favorite part of the entire project. Pretty cool, huh? All right, this is why it's my favorite. Look how stinking cute this is. You can sit here, you can sit here, you can even sit here. And when you sit on the couch, this is your view. I'm not sure about you guys, but I love one of these and one of these. We are in the desert, so we need an outdoor living room. This house wouldn't be complete without a 360 view rooftop patio. Stay tuned for more project videos. Make sure you do all the things. We've got a lot more coming.